So hi everyone, in this video I'm going to take you through ML lifecycle overview using in the point of view of SageMaker built-in algorithms. But it is a common ML lifecycle overview. So what is the current scenario? So in the current scenario, the data science team, there are SageMaker notebooks in which logic is written by data science team, where output artifacts like models and ECR, other artifacts, etc. are stored in S3 bucket or ECR different things. Then other team, ML ops team, productionize that model and send to another team, system team, sysops team for model maintenance. Basically, there are currently in the industry, um, basically three teams are working. One is data science team, which are making this SageMaker and notebooks. This is one scenario, but there are other scenarios also. But this is one common scenario which is being in industry. So current scenario is SageMaker notebooks, which is written by data scientists and given to ML ops engineer for model deployment, and then given to sysops engineer for basically maintaining the model. And it can be given to software engineer for also their integration with the application. So the problems with this scenario is there is no it is like a SageMaker notebook there where data science team is using. So there is no automation in some task related to pre-processing training by data science team, and there is no orchestration between training, pre-processing, and training tasks. So like basically, we want to change any thing during if you want to retrain the model or generate the same model artifacts, there need to be manual intervention in this scenario, in this kind of scenario, and there is no proper CI/CD approach to deliver the models effectively to production using proper quality gates. I mean, if you commit the code, there should be automated approach where the code need to be model need to be generated and they need to be with proper approval. It need to be deployed in production. That kind of CI/CD infrastructure is not there. There need to be rework need to be done by ML ops engineer to productionize the tasks. So then what happens, like that is on scenario, the development of that scenario using SageMaker notebooks, I mean involving three teams and like using SageMaker notebooks is using SageMaker pipelines. As you can see, there is a processing steps, training steps, basically this is like an orchestration. So I am reading, this is processing step, training step, condition step. On the base of condition step, whether we can create model or reject the model or send email, these kind of things we can do. So this automation and orchestration is a development over the traditional approach which have seen in the before in the previous slide. So that can be achieved using SageMaker pipelines, right? So although it's also a problem, uh, but there are still problems like CI/CD approach to deliver the model effectively to production with proper quality gates, like with proper approvals. There also still need rework to be done by ML ops engineer to productionize the tasks. These two problems still exist. So for CI/CD, basically solve that CI/CD issue. Basically, we can make use of CI/CD tools like GitHub, Code Build, and Code Pipeline. So what we will do is we'll build the model whenever a code in the GitHub is committed. So we'll run the SageMaker pipeline using AWS Code Build. That code build which runs the pipeline, that pipeline basically runs this procedure which builds the model, trains the model, validates the model, and register the model to model artifact registry. Once the model is registered to model registry, after proper approval, it will be deployed first with the testing environment and production environment. This is a proper CI/CD. This process is achieved by SageMaker pipelines, and triggering this process is done by AWS code build. So triggering of this process is done by code build, and this build, train, validate, register is achieved by SageMaker pipelines until this until registry. Then this approval and testing deployment is done using SageMaker code pipeline. So this is how we can achieve basically CI/CD implementation, making the pipeline basically ML lifecycle very robust and automated. Now there is still one problem to solve, where basically between the data scientist and ML ops engineer, there need to be still productionization comes into picture, because the CI/CD and SageMaker thing pipelines and CI/CD pipelines we are talking during the productionizing task, which is done by ML ops engineer or ML engineers. But before that, during development phase also, if we can provide the some kind of templates to data scientist team, then they can use the say templates, those templates where we where we include these steps, and so it will be easy for ML ops engineer or ML engineers for converting that development phase code to staging environment very easily. So that is can be done by SageMaker projects, but there are still some limitations. We need to see whether it is used by I mean as per our organization also. What we can do, we can basically customize this template, build, train and validate register model, or we can just build, train and validate these SageMaker pipelines. We can customize, and if we can give it to the data scientist, so he can write in the SageMaker pipelines only during the development phase also, which will be little easy also in a way. And then he can use that I mean he can send that code to basically ML engineers or ML ops engineers who can productionize using the development user SageMaker pipelines and CI/CD pipelines also, and create a proper ML lifecycle. So this is the ideal ML workflow which every industry want to achieve. So there should be version code and version data, and there should be model repository where version containers and version manifests are present, and there should be version logs also. I mean there should be maintenance of logs also. So this is the ML basically life cycle overview. So current scenario where notebooks with no proper automation orchestration. In the next scenario, I mean development of that is a SageMaker pipelines where orchestration and automation comes. Development of that is including CI/CD pipelines using code commit, code build, and code pipeline, and development of that also using SageMaker projects for development phase.